Welcome to Body Make and Health Manage. You know, everyone's always chasing that perfect balance, wanting to feel strong, energized, and healthy in their own skin. And let me tell you, it's not just about hitting the gym like a maniac. What you put into your body is just as important as the work you put in at the gym. Did you know that the right foods can actually double your fitness results? It's true. Today we're diving into the top 10 foods that can help you torch fat and build lean muscle. Whether you're pumping iron like it's your job or just looking to fuel your body the right way, this list has got you covered. We're talking about real food, the kind that tastes good and makes you feel even better. Stick around to the end for some bonus tips on how to make the most of these powerhouse foods. Let's get after it. First up, we're starting strong with a breakfast staple: eggs. Now, I'm not talking about some flimsy, overcooked scramble. I'm talking about a plate of perfectly cooked eggs, maybe with a bit of avocado on the side. Why are eggs so great? Well, they're a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle tissue. Think of amino acids like the building blocks of protein, and your body needs all of them to function at its best. And the best part? Eggs are low in calories and packed with essential vitamins like B12, which is like a shot of espresso for your energy levels. Feeling sluggish in the afternoon? Skip the sugary energy drinks and reach for an egg instead. You'll get that sustained energy boost without the crash later. Now, I know some of you are thinking, Chris, what about plant-based options? Don't worry, I've got you covered. If you're following a vegan or vegetarian diet, tofu is an awesome alternative. It's also a complete protein source and super versatile in the kitchen. Scramble it up with some veggies for a hearty breakfast, or toss it into a stir-fry for a protein punch. The key here is to make sure you're getting enough protein throughout the day to support your fitness goals. Whether you're team egg or team tofu, there's a delicious and nutritious option out there for everyone. Next up, we've got a classic for a reason: chicken breast. This lean protein source has been a staple in my diet for years, and for good reason. It's packed with protein, low in fat, and incredibly versatile. You can grill it, bake it, stir-fry it, the possibilities are endless. Chicken breast is a go-to for building and maintaining lean muscle mass. It provides the building blocks your muscles need to recover after a tough workout and come back stronger. Plus, it's super satisfying, so you'll feel fuller for longer and less likely to reach for those unhealthy snacks. Now, I know what you're thinking. Chicken breast again? It's so boring. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. Get creative in the kitchen. Marinate it in your favorite spices, throw it on the grill with some veggies, or shred it up and add it to salads or wraps. And for my plant-based friends, lentils are an excellent alternative. They're packed with protein and fiber, making them a super satisfying and nutritious option. Toss them into soups, stews, or salads for a hearty and delicious meal. Alright, let's talk about brain food and muscle fuel: salmon. This fatty fish is a nutritional powerhouse loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing inflammation, boosting brain function, and supporting muscle recovery. Think of omega-3s like the WD-40 of your body, keeping everything running smoothly. They help reduce muscle soreness after those intense workouts, so you can get back to crushing your goals faster. Plus, they're great for your brain, improving focus, memory, and overall cognitive function. Now, I know salmon can be a bit pricier than other protein sources, but trust me, it's worth every penny. Aim to include it in your diet at least twice a week for maximum benefits. If you're not a fan of fish or follow a plant-based diet, don't worry, you can still reap the benefits of omega-3s from plant-based sources like chia seeds and flax seeds. Sprinkle them on your yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies for an easy and delicious omega-3 boost. Chapter 4. The ancient grain powerhouse: quinoa for sustained energy. Let's be honest, sometimes rice and pasta can feel a bit, well, boring. That's where quinoa comes in. This ancient grain is a complete protein source, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a fantastic option for vegans, vegetarians, and meat eaters alike. But here's the kicker. Quinoa is also a complex carbohydrate, which means it provides sustained energy release, keeping you fuller for longer and preventing those energy crashes. Say goodbye to that mid-afternoon slump. Quinoa is also incredibly versatile. Use it as a base for grain bowls, stuff it in bell peppers for a healthy and delicious meal prep option, or even use it to make a breakfast porridge. And the best part? It cooks up in just 15 minutes, making it a perfect option for busy weeknights. So, ditch the refined grains and embrace the power of quinoa. Chapter 5. Gut check: Greek yogurt for muscle repair and digestion. We all know that protein is crucial for building muscle, but did you know that it's also essential for muscle repair? That's where Greek yogurt comes in. This creamy, tangy treat is packed with protein and probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that support gut health and aid in digestion. Think of your gut as your second brain. It plays a crucial role in your overall health and well-being, and keeping it happy is key. Probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut, which can improve digestion, boost your immune system, and even enhance your mood. Now, when choosing Greek yogurt, always opt for the unsweetened varieties. The flavored ones are often loaded with sugar, which can sabotage your fitness goals. Instead, add your own sweetness with fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of granola. And for my dairy-free friends, there are plenty of plant-based yogurt alternatives available, like coconut yogurt or almond yogurt. Just make sure to choose options that are unsweetened and fortified with protein for maximum benefits. Chapter 6. Popeye's Power Food, Spinach for Energy and Strength. Remember Popeye and his love for spinach? Well, it turns out he was onto something. This leafy green is a nutritional powerhouse packed with iron, calcium, and vitamins A and C. Iron is crucial for transporting oxygen throughout your body, including your muscles, which is essential for energy production and performance. Calcium is vital for strong bones and teeth, and vitamins A and C support a healthy immune system and protect your cells from damage. Spinach is incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Toss it into salads, smoothies, soups, or stews for a nutritional boost. You can even sauté it with some garlic and olive oil for a simple and delicious side dish. And if you're not a fan of spinach, kale is another great option. It's equally nutritious and offers a slightly different flavor profile. So channel your inner Popeye and load up on those leafy greens. Chapter 7. Fuel up with sweet potatoes. Complex carbs for long-lasting energy. Carbs often get a bad rap, but not all carbs are created equal. Complex carbs, like those found in sweet potatoes, are essential for providing your body with long-lasting energy. Sweet potatoes are a great source of fiber which slows down digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing those energy spikes and crashes. They're also packed with vitamins A and C, potassium, and antioxidants. Roast them, mash them, or even spiralize them into noodles for a healthy and delicious alternative to traditional pasta. And if you're looking for some variety, butternut squash and pumpkin are excellent alternatives. They offer a similar nutritional profile and can be used in many of the same ways as sweet potatoes. So, ditch the processed carbs and embrace the power of complex carbs. Chapter 8. The Perfect Snack Attack. Almonds for healthy fats and protein. We all get those snack cravings, but instead of reaching for processed junk food, opt for a handful of almonds. These crunchy nuts are packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and vitamin E. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production, cell growth, and nutrient absorption. Protein, as we know, is crucial for building and repairing muscle tissue. Fiber helps regulate digestion and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. And vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. Keep a bag of almonds on hand for a quick and easy snack on the go. You can also add them to trail mixes, yogurt parfaits, or even sprinkle them on salads for some extra crunch. If you have nut allergies, sunflower seeds are a great alternative. They offer a similar nutritional profile and are just as delicious. So, ditch the chips and candy bars and embrace the power of nuts and seeds. Chapter 9. Start your day. Right. Oats for steady energy and fullness. Let's talk about breakfast, the most important meal of the day. And when it comes to breakfast, oats are a top contender. These hearty grains are a great source of fiber, particularly a type of fiber called beta-glucan, which has been linked to numerous health benefits including lower cholesterol levels and improved blood sugar control. Oats are also a good source of protein, iron, magnesium, and zinc. They're a blank canvas for flavor and can be prepared in countless ways. Make a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruit, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for a comforting and nutritious breakfast. Blend them into smoothies for a quick and easy meal replacement, or even use them in baking for a healthier twist on your favorite treats. If you're looking for gluten-free options, quinoa flakes or buckwheat are excellent substitutes for oats. They offer a similar nutritional profile and can be used in many of the same ways. So ditch the sugary cereals and embrace the power of oats. Chapter 10. Good fats, good vibes, avocado for heart health and satisfaction. Last but not least, we have the beloved avocado. This creamy, delicious fruit, yes, it's a fruit, is packed with healthy fats, fiber, potassium, and vitamins C, K, and E. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to numerous health benefits including improved heart health, reduced inflammation, and better blood sugar control. They're also incredibly satisfying and can help keep you feeling full and satisfied between meals. Add avocado to salads, sandwiches, wraps, or even enjoy it mashed on toast with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. You can also use it to make guacamole, a delicious and healthy dip for veggies or chips. If you're looking for a lower-calorie alternative to avocado, hummus or mashed edamame are great options. They offer a similar creamy texture and are packed with protein and fiber. So ditch the unhealthy fats and embrace the power of avocado. Outgrow your journey to a healthier you starts now. That's it for today's video. We covered a lot of ground, but the takeaway is simple. Eating for weight loss and muscle gain doesn't have to be complicated. Focus on incorporating these nutrient-rich whole foods into your diet, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your fitness goals. Which of these foods is your favorite, or do you have any other go-to options? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Body Make and Health Manage for more tips on fitness and nutrition. See you next time.